Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. In this video I am going to show you how to use annotations in Google Meet while you are taking online classes using screen sharing option. For that you have to download one Google Chrome extension. So let me show you what is that Google Chrome extension and how to download that Google Chrome extension. First select your Google Chrome and then type Google Meet annotation extension. Here you can see Google Meet annotation extension. The name of this is Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin. So this is a Google Chrome extension. After downloading or adding this extension to your Google Chrome tab, you can easily annotate while you are taking online classes in Google Meet. So let me show you how to do that. Select this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, click it, and once you select that, here you will enter into the Google Chrome web store, and here you can see Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, and at the right side you can see Add to Chrome. So let us click this Add to Chrome and add this Google Chrome extension to annotate while you are taking online classes in Google Meet. So let me select Add to Chrome and add Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, allow this add extension. So once you select add extension, it is showing here checking, but it won't take much time to add that Chrome extension into your Google Chrome. Here you can see Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon or by pressing Ctrl Shift A. So let me show you this one. So in extensions this is added, but you have to pin this extension. Come to Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, you have to pin this pin extension, click it, and here you can see that is added in your Chrome extensions. Now how to use this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin in your Google Meet while you are taking online class. So for that let me show you how to do that. You have to start Google Meet. Let me start Google Meet, online class in Google Meet. So let me enter into my Gmail account and then let me start the Google Meet here for online class. You can see me on my screen, and then let me first start here. I'm not going to invite any student, I am going to start this meeting and I'm going to explain how to use this annotations in Google Meet while you are taking online classes. So to your right side of your screen you can see the present now option is there. Select present now and select your entire screen. So once you select your entire screen, you know how to start sharing your screen. Share your entire screen, select the option share. So Google Meet has started presenting your screen. Now let me minimize this. So let me open another Chrome and let me open some information like parts of heart you want to teach. So let me open that, and then image is there. Okay, let me select one image. Okay, and then let me zoom this. Okay, and now if you want to use annotations here, you can use annotations here by selecting this or by clicking this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin. It's already started in screen sharing, so select this one, and here you can see that control panel has come on your left side of your screen. You can see brushes, pen is there, so many options are there you can use. So let me, and now you want to explain this anterior view of the heart, so you can use pen to explain. When you are speaking or when you are explaining this information through screen sharing to your students can see what you are writing on the screen. So if you want to draw something or if you want to explain, say for example if you want to highlight left pulmonary artery, so underline that left pulmonary artery, and when you are speaking you can write right ventriculate, you can underline or you can highlight that. There are some other options also there. Pen option is also there, you can use this pen for writing something on your screen, and you have this eraser option also. You can use this eraser option to erase all these things. So once you have completed, you can clear the screen, or if you have completed sharing the screen or if you have completed explaining the topic, you have to select finish so that the Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin will stop automatically. So let me show you how to do that, finish. So here we stopped annotation, and if you want to share PDF file, you can open the PDF file in Google Drive. Let me open the PDF file, the Summer of the Beautiful White Horse PDF. You can open that PDF here. So let me open that PDF in Google Chrome tab and let me zoom. You can use you can take any PDF, science subject PDF or any PDF, and then select this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, So here you can see the brushes has come, the tool has come, and you can explain these things using this one. If you want to highlight, you can highlight, you can underline that, or if you want to write something using this, you can click this one, you can type it, and you can write, and you have to select this arrow mark, tick mark, so it will be pasted on the screen. So in this way you can use this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin to annotate while you are teaching online classes or while you are taking online classes using screen sharing. But the problem with this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin is it works only when you use Google Chrome or PDF file downloaded in Google Chrome. But if you want to use this using any other way, it will not accept. But there is a method you can hack this, even using your PDF files or Word or even pictures. So if you want to explain the same picture or same thing without using Google Chrome, yes, that is also possible. Let me show you how to do that. First, let me minimize this. Let me open this picture. Now this is the picture you want to explain on screen, but if you directly try to explain this without using Google Chrome, that annotate in Google Meet won't work. So for that, what you have to do is open this Google Chrome also, okay, and then minimize this as much as possible. You minimize that tab, Google Chrome tab. Only thing is you should see this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin icon which you have pinned to your screen. So minimize, because this is no problem. You can minimize from your side and you can tell your students to enlarge the screen when you are teaching. So let me enlarge as much as possible, and then let me fix this also properly. Now picture you want to explain to your students. Now what is the trick you have to apply is you have to select this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, keeping the Google Chrome tab on your screen. Then only it works. If you close this Google Chrome tab, then it won't work. Select this Annotate Meet by Sherin. So once you click here, you can see the brushes has come and you started screen sharing also. So adjust these brushes according to your convenience, and then you can explain the same thing using this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin. So let me draw. First I have selected this one. So you are explaining this diagram about the parts of heart. So you will draw like superior. You want to explain this part, you can highlight that one. You want to, when you are talking about pulmonary veins, you can round that pulmonary veins. Or if you want to talk, if you are talking about pulmonary artery, you can highlight that pulmonary artery. Or if you want to write something on the screen at this place, here you can highlight this like this is important, and you can adjust this and then select this right arrow mark and it will be shown on the screen. So in this way you can use even pictures on your screen or PDF files on your screen and you can annotate. But the only problem with this is once you start using this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, you can't scroll anything or you can't change anything on your screen. For that, what you have to do is again you have to finish, and again you have to open the same thing. This technique can be used to explain any kind of document using this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin. Only thing is you have to keep a small tab of Google Chrome tab on your screen, and you have to use this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin to explain your documents, PDF file, pictures or any other file from your computer. So let me show you that. You have to finish this one, then only you can scroll or move anything on your screen. So let me select finish. Now let me close this one and let me open a PDF file. You can open any PDF file. I am going to open here a small PDF file, and whatever you want to explain, you have to scroll already, otherwise you can't scroll screen after completion of selecting that Annotate Meet. So this is the PDF file. Now you can scroll before you select that Annotate Meet. Now let me show you how to do that. Now Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, click this icon. Now it started. You can annotate on this PDF file, but only thing is you can't scroll this PDF. So before starting this Annotate Meet by Dennis Sherin, you should select the right page or right part of the lesson which you want to highlight or use annotations. So let me show you how that. In July 1976, my wife Mary. If you want to underline Mary, you can underline Mary. Son Jonathan, daughter Suzanne. You can use same thing which you can use while using Google Chrome. But only thing is you can't scroll when you open a PDF file or a picture or a document from your screen. But as of now, There is no inbuilt annotations available in Google Meet. So with this you can annotate in your Google Meet while you are taking online classes. So once you complete, you have to select finish. So this is the method you have to follow to use annotations in Google Meet while you are presenting your screen, and you can highlight whatever you want to highlight on the screen using this Google Chrome extension. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong.